Okay, this lesson 8, I was supposed to finish it in lesson 7, but I think the video was getting too long, so I just decided to extract the squatter settlement aspect. So squatter settlement. Now, what does it mean? So the term shanty town, squatter settlement, slum, and favelas all mean the same thing. Now, there are areas where housing built by people themselves out of materials they can find, often around the edge of an LEDC cities. Now, they are often illegally built and can have no sanitation, water, electricity connection. So you can see just by materials they find from this image, they were able to create houses they can actually live in. Now, so what are the problems of squatter settlement and what are the strategies to reduce the problems is what we are going to look at next. Um, Now, first, problems of squatter settlement is that it is overcrowded housing, small houses, crap conditions. They have no water supply, so it can be easily spread of waterborne diseases. They have poor quality building materials, fire risk because most of the materials are flammables. They have poor sanitation. They lack electricity supply. Um, if there is, it will be an illegal connection. High crime rates within the area. You have unmade roads, so the roads are not tarred, which is so flooding and it's muddy most times during the rainy season. Now you have lack of waste disposal system, spread of diseases, we've mentioned it, risk of eviction, so the government can actually evict them anytime. There is lack of clinics and lack of schools. Houses is not waterproofed and not stable. Disease spread easily in crowded conditions. So these are problems of squatter settlement or characteristics of squatter settlement. So if they ask you for problem or characteristics of squatter settlement, this is what you need to just put down. Then some of the strategies to reduce the problem of squatter settlement. You have you have to build low cost housing such as flat. You create this site and service scheme where you create a plot of land and you allocate it to them, create services within there, so people will now be able to build low cost house. You give them loans to do that. That's site and service scheme. Self help, where they individually decide to help themselves, contribute to help arrange the settlement. Then provide tools and training and building materials to them, install water pipes, install electricity grid, improvement in grant slash low interest loan. Now, if these all are provided, you find out that the problems of this squatter settlement will be solved to a very great extent. Okay, thank you. That's all on squatter settlement. See you on where we look at plate tectonics.